Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today, as what you can see from the title below, this is going to be the I tried following a beauty guru or a YouTuber. And actually guys, I am very excited to try this for myself kasi mahilig ako manood ng mga makeup tutorials, even vlogs. But the thing is, I've never tried for myself na gayahin yung kanilang mga ginagawang makeup tutorials. So what I'm going to try for myself is the makeup tutorial na meron si Miss ANNA CAY, which is yung Easy Peach makeup tutorial. And by the way guys, I'm going to watch here dito sa aking iPad. So let's start. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing this peachy makeup look. Ang ganda niya, no? Hindi mo gawin as in, hindi mo kailangan ng eyeshadow o ng kung ano pa man. So if you wanna know how I did this look, please keep on watching. Keep on watching! After maglagay ng primer, foundation, concealer, and powder ni Miss ANNA CAY, ang next step na ginawa niya is mag-bronzer. And I think ang ginamit niya dito is yung Kulang Terracotta 4-Season Bronzer in 03 Brunette. But wala kasi ako noon. So, ang gagawin ko na lang is kukuha ko ng bronzer. And ang gagamitin ko is from my Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D.
So, as you can see guys, I'm putting it sa perimeters ng face, under the cheekbones, and of course, sa ilalim ng jawline.
So, gagamit ako ng gantong brush. And ilagay ko daw dito.
We're proceeding with bronzer. So as you can see guys, I'm putting it sa perimeters ng face, under the cheekbones, and of course sa ilalim ng jawline. This is to give the face the warmth na nawala nung nag-foundation tayo. I also placed some bronzer sa gilid ng nose just to prepare for the contour.
So ito yung gagamitin ko for contouring. Contouring palette from Kat Von D as well. So ito yung aking Kat Von D na Shade and Light palette. So kukuha na lang ako ng contour shade.
For this peach makeup tutorial, I make sure that it's very, very light. And sometimes, pag tinatamad ako,
so nilagay niya dito sa kanyang hollows of cheeks.
Tapos konti sa may perimeters.
Tapos onti daw dito.
And of course, sa ilalim din ng jawline. Do not bring it way up high.
Tsaka dito sa jawline.
I also do it sa ilalim ng lips.
Tsaka daw dito.
And of course, ang pinaka-importante sa contouring part.
Tsaka sa side daw ng kanyang nose.
I'm blending it ng maayos para hindi man masyadong startinan ang ating nose contour. Dito naman sa kilay, I'm just cleaning it with a spoolie para matanggal yung ibang product na ilagay sa brow hair. And then now, I'm starting to fill in. I start sa lower arch.
So dark ito. Gagamitin ko na lang tong Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo ko in the shade of dark brown. Ang tawag dito, eyebrows. So,
pansinin, kumakanta ko dyan. From the highest point of my upper arch, I then connect it to the tail. Ayan. And then, I define the rest of my upper arch. With what's left, ilalagay natin sa inner brows. Time to do the other brow. Hindi kailangan eksaktong tap.
Ang bilis. So, try natin gayahin. Medyo makapal yung kilay ni Miss ANNA CAY. And yung kilay ko kasi kulang-kulang. So, ang daming spars. Buti na lang hindi sila nag-one sit apart. So, okay na ba?
The brows and yung brow hair, mapunta siya sa direction na gusto ko.
Okay.
Proceed to the typical way of applying a blush. Just remember to use something peachy coral na shade.
So, blush naman tayo. Meron ko ditong Bare Peach from Burt's Bees na blush. And yung ginamit niyang makeup tool doon is something similar dito sa ganitong shape ng makeup brush. So, try natin i-follow yung kanyang blush.
Remember to use something peachy coral na shade because it complements Pinay skin tone. And as you can also notice guys, mataas yung paglalagay ko ng blush kasi mas nakakabata. Parang mas nakaka-fresh and our Asian sisters used to do that. Sa left and right cheek, sobrang uso nito ngayon. Drunk blush ata yung tawag dito.
So, ang ginawa niya is pinag-connect daw niya yung kanyang blush from right to left or left to right. At ito daw yung uso na blush, which is yung drunk blush. So,
diba na-mention ko kanina na wala tayong gagamiting eyeshadow? It's because we're going to use our peachy coral blush as an eyeshadow. So, ayan, I'm just applying it with a fluffy brush sa sakit na eyes, transition shade.
Now, yung bronzer naman yung ating gagamitin. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa outer V para lang ma-intensify yung look, mag-warm up palalo.
Dun sa lower lash line using a smaller brush. I-curl ko naman yung lashes ko para malagyan natin siya ng mascara. And guys, suwang-sawa na talaga ako sa mascara na to. Sa may Japanese brand na Hair Remake Mascara. Paulit-ulit, waterproof, maganda, nakaka-fan out ng eyes. Paulit-ulit na ako as in. And also, do not forget the lower lash line, guys. Huwag niyo kakalimutan yan because it opens up the eyes even more. Just remember to bow down para hindi kayo malagyan sa skin ng mascara.
And my favorite
Mag-highlight na tayo.
Mag-highlight. So, nilalagyan ko lang yung aking nose, pampatango.
Gagamit ako nitong highlighter. So, yung ginamit niya, I think, is the Too Faced Peach Glow Palette. So, ako gagamitin ko is this Anastasia That Glow from the Glow Kit na palette. And, ang sabi niya, ulitin natin.
And my favorite part, ang pag-highlight. So, nilalagyan ko lang yung aking nose, pampatangos. Upper cheekbone.
Yan, pag ganyan. Tapos, dito sa cheeks.
And then, hinihalo ko siya palibot ng eyes para i-brighten yung side na yan. Ayan, yes. I also remember to put sa my chin part, sa my cupid's bow, ang highlight, ganyan. Tapos, sa may upper arch, basta tag-isang side ng temples, ganyan.
So, next naman sa lips, ang ginamit ni Miss Anna Cay is yung Kylie Matte Lipstick in the shade of Expose. And for me, ang gagamitin ko is this Maybelline na Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade of Amazonian or number 70. So, since wala ako nung kanyang ginagamit, ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. I know, hindi siya peach, but ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. Kasi wala talaga akong peachy na liquid lipstick or any kind of lipstick.
A moment of silence, please. Let's apply the lipstick. Almost done, guys, but kinulang pa ata si ate girl ng pailaw, so nag-apply pa siya ng highlighter. So, ayan. And also, maglalagay din ako sa inner corner ng eyes bilang hindi pa kulang ang pailaw. Lastly, we set with a makeup setting spray.
This is the finished look, guys. So, actually, medyo struggle gawin tong video na to kasi nagmamadali. Kailangan mong habulin kung ano yung sasabihin sa makeup tutorial video. Pero, napakaganda. Napakaganda nung technique ni Miss Anna Cay. Kasi actually, yung technique na ginagawa niya or yung makeup application niya is something na very similar sa aking ginagawa for my makeup routine. So, yun lang, medyo kinulang lang ako sa pagka-peachy sa aking lips kasi wala talaga ako masyadong peachy na lipstick or liquid lipsticks. So, mahilig kasi ako sa pink undertone. So, by the way guys, ito yung final look. Hindi ko alam kung na-achieve ko siya pero I did tried my best to follow Miss Anna Cay's Easy Peach Makeup Tutorial. And by the way guys, some of the clips, wala na talagang masyadong salita. Kasi talagang nagpo-focus ako kasi napag-iiwanan ako nung video dahil I need to grab the tools and stuff. And hopefully, nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. At kung nagustuhan nyo man, kindly please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to get notified with my new uploads in the future, kindly please subscribe or hit the bell button down below. So thank you so much for watching guys and I hope to see you on my next videos. Bye!